Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have the J.A. Roby Rigel cook stove. I am going to be doing some stovetop cooking for you guys today. I am going to be cooking pancakes directly on the stovetop griddle. This is a question I have been asked about lots of times. Now right now I just loaded up my firebox because I'm actually baking inside my warming oven. I am going to wait to cook my pancakes until the stove has died down because I can't really clean this cook plate until it's cooled down, so I don't want to be cooking on it with like a roaring hot fire. It's my first time, I just don't know how it's gonna go. So that is how I'm going to do it tonight with trying to cook. This is going to be an enameled cast iron plate. It is a food grade enamel and it's basically a griddle style cooking. Before I get started, I want to give you guys a temperature reading. The lowest temperature here is going to be 377 in this corner of the stove. Center cook plate's at 478 and 394. So I think I'm actually going to damper down the stove and let it cool down just a little bit before I put my pancakes on there so I don't burn them. I'm also going to grab a lid as well because I like to go ahead and cover the top of my pancakes so they can rise and cook nicely. Okay, so I'm going to try and keep it towards the front of the stove here, not on the backsplash or on the actual painted stove surface. Okay. Okay. Not so bad. So far, so good. It's all staying pretty contained and not nearly as messy as I was imagining it could possibly be. I just sprayed my oil right on the top, covered it up. You can see it's just the right amount of oil. It's not smoking up the cooktop or anything like that. The lid keeps it all contained. I didn't get any on the backsplash. So my pancake rose up really nice. It looks like it is about ready to flip here. And yeah, look at just how cute this stove is. The little scrollies, the chrome corners, chrome handles, chrome legs. Alright, my pancake is fully cooked on this side. It is ready to flip. Way smoother than I thought. I don't have super great flipping skills, but wow, this top is super clean. I'm not sure what I was worried about. I will show you guys when I'm done how clean this cook surface is. Here is my pancake. Look at the rise on that. This is actually a whole wheat zucchini pancake. And yeah, you might notice that the finish on this enamel cook plate is not perfect. Unfortunately, we've been seeing some of that with the enamel finishes lately, and J. Roby's already been struggling to even get this product in general. So that is an unfortunate flaw, but I still love this enamel cook. Look at how clean it is. Like there is, when I flipped it, no kind of residue, nothing like that. I won't even need to remove this cook plate as the stove burns down. Alright, my pancake is totally ready to come off, so show you guys my perfect fluffy whole wheat mixed with zucchini pancake. So this is going to be a healthier option pancake to give you a little more substance and carry you through your day. I really hope that you guys enjoy these videos. I do my best to answer all of the questions that I hear from you guys on the phone. Also in the comments, I do read them. I really appreciate your guys' continued loyal support. Please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of my channel. Share my video with a friend. That helps me out so much. God bless. Have a wonderful day.